Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Turtle wallet address on Binance. As you know, Turtle just get this on Binance Spot, and if you want to transfer your Turtle token to Binance Spot, you need the wallet address. Maybe you got an airdrop, so you will have to transfer it. I will show you how to find the wallet address. So first you can open your Binance apps and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And as you can see, there is add fund here. Add fund button, you can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then in the search box, you can search turtle. Oops. This one, you can click it. And then you can choose the network. I will choose BSC because it's cheaper. And then this is my Turtle wallet address on Binance, so I can copy it or scan it. And make sure when you transfer the token, you choose the same network, otherwise your token will be gone. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.